skies, and we got some mountain snows
No.
in the Pacific Northwest. That's what's going on around the country. Here's what's happening in your neck of the woods. Good.
Oh, it's Mr. Greg, isn't it? That's your weatherman. Hey, hey, psst. Do you want to, okay, let's watch the weather.
Monday morning, everybody.
No, yes, you do want to watch the weather. Let's watch the weather real quick.
Cloudy skies, high temperature making it even
You're
lower
stinky. I need to change your diaper.
and a potential for a shower
Yes, you
this
are.
afternoon, but it's
Yes,
low
you
side
are.
for
You
now.
are too
But
stinky.
then tonight, watch what happens. Showers and storms developing late
Yeah,
afternoon
huh?
after sunset.
Yeah.
These could be strong to severe storms.
Yes.
And then here comes a line of storms that will create the potential for some wind damage as
Yes,
it moves
sir.
through western parts of
Yes,
Arkansas
sir.
overnight tonight. So we're going to be watching for those storms.
Hey, how about this? Let's show Mamo. Henry. This is Henry's daily fun fact. Oh, sweet baby. Oh, where'd the baby go? Are you done? Up. Oh, you sleepy baby. He didn't know it's getting close to more than nap, huh? Is that right? Oh, and he's down. Okay, love y'all. Bye.